So, demonstration time now then. Steering. Forwards. Just hold that out of the way. Backwards. And opening doors. There's no stop to hold it in position. So you have to judge it. Oh, that's brilliant. I checked, 2018 I bought this, so I've only had it for 2 years. I thought it was longer than that. But, yeah. Pleased with myself. I can't imagine how old it is originally. In fact, it's got they're not LEDs for the lights, they're the old filament lights. Means that it's got to be pretty old. Right. Yeah, okay. I'm just trying to think of a good position for the thumbnail, for the final thumbnail. Over there a little bit. I guess we could have the doors open. Yeah. Yeah, so there we go. Yeah. Pleased with myself. That's a bit better with the light like that, we can see it better. There we go, shut. That's got to be the noisiest steering. That'll do. Just a little addendum at the end. I thought only the right hand button did anything. But it turns out both buttons do the same thing. Yeah, there we go. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.